I gotta be very quiet. I was just driving and I seen this black thing. I thought it was a cat. It's it was a river otter. So hopefully he's still out here. And you see we're literally in the middle of the city. Hold on. Where could he have went that fast? No, he's in there because I just seen him. That was crazy. I don't want to get too close. Oh, there he goes. Look at him. Hold on. I just gotta be. See, look at him. It's a river otter. If I'm quiet enough, he might come back. I don't want to get too close to this water because if he's in there, there's probably other stuff that I don't want to run into. See him? He's poking his head. He's by that plastic bag. That is so crazy. I've never seen an otter in real life. I hate that he got to be subjected to all that dirt in there. I mean, all those plastic bags. I want to get closer, but I just don't want to take a chance. Cause say if there's you know, this is Florida, so there he goes. I don't know if it's a family. Look, that looks like a different one. He's right by the bush. See him? He just ducked down. Wow. I really do want to get closer because I'm a brave soul, but I'm not a stupid soul. That was so cool because I was just driving and I thought it was a cat. He was sitting there scratching stuff. I seen the tail. I'm like, oh my God, it's an otter. There he goes. He's right. I can't get too close, but he's right by the you see those bushes? See where that white plastic bag is? And you look, he just ducked under again. I want to get a little closer. Not too close. Wow. Okay, there he goes. He's getting close to the bag. There's an otter in there. Wow. Hey, there's a river otter in there. Yeah, he was so cool. I drove past and I seen I thought it was a cat and he was sitting there scratching himself. So then he I just don't want to get too much closer because I don't know if something else is in there. If we watch long enough, he'll probably put his head back up.
Poor baby.
Yeah, yeah, because it's so dirty down there. Hold on, let's see if he comes up. See him right there? Isn't that crazy that he's so cool?
Kind of an odd place for him to be.
That's what I say. That's like a weird place. And you see how close it is to that apartment complex.
Yeah. I had some in my apartment complex too. They were big ones.
He's big. No, he's real big.
Is he?
Yeah.
Did he come out all the way?
When I seen him, he was like right here.
Yeah.
Do you think there's gators in there though?
No.
You don't think so?
I've only seen a baby gator once down there, but here, no.
But it is a chance of it.
Fast. I don't think they really get eaten. This is kind of like runoff. This is like sludge water type of stuff.
Yeah, I just wonder how he got in here in the first place.
They go through the system, the tube system.
Yeah.
Because that's how they came in through to my lake.
Wow.
My complex. saw him go in and out of it.
Yeah, I
He
think.
was chasing a fish. Oh, is he in the tree now?
I think so.
Let's go.
Yeah, I wish he would come close again. He was starting to come close to me, but I just don't want to go there and then my leg.
Yeah.
You know, in Florida I don't get too close to the water, but
Yeah.
he's in there though. Wow.
He gotta find his way out of this thing.
Yeah, I pulled my car over and everything because I just never seen nothing like that.